Assalamu alaikum. Why a lot of people they understand anything, they can get and they can gain anything and any concept in their mind because they don't say that it is difficult, they don't say that it is very hard, and they don't say that it is not for me and I am not able to learn this and I am able to gain this. So, if you want to become a successful in the world and you want to become very educational and to become very intelligent, then you should to learn anything. Then you should do not say that it is very hard, that it is not for me, and that is very confusionful. If you have that mindset that I can learn anything, that I can learn science, I can learn mathematics, I can learn English, I can learn informational technology, then you can learn because you have belief on yourself, and that is the main thing. When a person have belief in yourself, when your brain is self confident, then you can learn anything and you can get any type of educational. Nowadays, lots of students they choose only one field and they decided that in future I will learn the only one subject, for example field of medical. They choose the field of medical, and there they study only those subjects which are related biology. They are related to the human life and human and animal's body. If that student become a doctor in future, then they will only that theory and that subjects and that lessons that he read in their academic levels and in their schools and college and universities books. And that doctor don't understand those machines which are present and which are capable and which are using for the human in use for a patient's treatment in hospitals, because they only read the theory and only read the biological theory. If he also read the other subjects like mathematics, physics, and then that is a great and that is a successful person. Nowadays, if you want to I make or demand for myself, then you should to learn anything. You should to learn English. You should to learn all the subjects in all the field. You should to become expert in all the field. You can become a valuable person in the society, and then your demand will be high and you can become beneficial society, and you can become a great person and a great personality in your society. Human is different from others living organism due to their mindset, due to their brain, and due to their curiosity, and due to their educational curiosity, because this is the only human beings which can understand anything, which have the ability to get and to put it in their mind, because we are different from all the things in universe is due to our curiosity and due to our hunger to understand. You should to understand a little things in the world, because the knowledge is ocean and it is not ending. there is no boundary and there is no limit of the knowledge. You can't take all the knowledge in your mind, and you should to not limit your mind as you put the knowledge and you gain a little piece of knowledge, then your brain become more sharp and it become more fast and your memory become more fresh, and then you can gain and you can take a lot of knowledge, because with gaining of knowledge your brain becomes sharp. If you don't take work from your mind, then your brain will be also in their old position and it will not become sharp. As you know, and you read in your books, that the one person could learn anything at a time. That person could, the mathematician, the physician, and also was the astronomist, and also the geologist, and also philosopher. And due to that, these in history, the coming of scientists was even more from nowadays. And now if a student they decide that I will learn and I will go furthermore and I will promote myself in only one subject or two or three subject, that is not a good decision, because if you have only one skill and you have read only one book and only one field, you have better experiment, then you will not an acceptable man in the society. So we should to remove this concept and we should to finish this mindset of ourselves that I should to learn the only one subject, because all the subjects in all the fields of life, they are linked to each other, they are linked among itself.